Did you guys hear me during that song? I was trying to yell. I was like trying to yell, "Let's go!" And it was like, "Yeah." Bro, this has been a problem, dude. I ate like a whole case of muffins yesterday, and ever since then, I just been hiccuping for 2 days. Before the show, you guys should have seen me in my green room. I was like, that's something really personal. I'll do this next song on one condition. You guys are gonna have to sing most of it because I have the hiccups so bad right now. I literally can barely get through a sentence. Can you do that? That's the only way I can play this song, seriously. Cool? Alright, I've never had this on stage before. Alright, let's try this out. If it's not working, bro, we're gonna have to take a water break. Let's go! I wish somebody would have told